after COVID, nobody do Facebook Live anymore. Okay, anyway, let's set disclaimer first. Whatever I share with you today is for education purpose. These are not advice to buy and sell. Type yes if you understand. Thank you. Okay, next, let me say my intention. My intention is at the end of the day, those people in the public will also know what is SMT about, or SMT community is about. And those people that are in the Zoom right now will feel that, hey, you have learned something, you have gotten some trading ideas, you know, that you can able to put them into action too. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, again, we're going to go through the markets. Okay, we're going to go through the markets. Because it is open to the public, I also want to maybe look at a few particular stocks or crypto, whatever. Okay, and give my view. Okay, my view is not the right view or wrong view, just my view. Okay, okay, let's get started. S&P 500 first, weekly charts. Weekly chart first. Let's don't use TraderGPS. Let's use this one. Okay. We can toggle later. We can toggle later. Okay, so traders weekly charts, S&P 500. What do you think is the trend right now? Okay, we have been every week we do this, yes or no? Every week we do this, and we have been consistent, okay, with our view, right? It's not like 1 week this view, 1 week that view. It's every week it's the same view. You know, on the daily chart, of course, it may change from 1 week to another week, but for weekly charts, usually it does not change often. Okay, it's like, say, if it's uptrend, that means the 20 above 40 is uptrend, downtrend, and then now it's like sideways trend. Okay, it remains sideways. Tell me, what is the level that we want to look at to break? What is the level we want to break? We need that catalyst. We need a catalyst. Do you all follow what I'm saying? We need that catalyst for the price to break 4,002. Okay, we are no longer in downtrend. Reason being because if you can draw this and you can see that we are no longer in the downtrend, even though you may hear from news that things are getting worse and worse, you know, but we are no longer in downtrend. Yes or no? In fact, we can do a little bit of this. Okay, a little bit of this. But what we don't have is we need to have this at least, hopefully one more time. Hopefully one more time we have this break so that we have a higher, one more higher high. So we have this high already, but this high is inside the downtrend line. We have another high already. Hopefully one more downtrend line. Then we can safely say that we are no longer in sideways trend. We are resume uptrend already. Yes or no? Type yes if you understand. Okay. In the long term, if you can zoom one more time into the longer time frame, you can see we are like this. Okay, so this is a downtrend, this is a sideways trend, and then if you resume uptrend, then will be continue to go up. Okay, at this moment there is no downtrend. Okay, at least for the longer term. Got it? Okay, now about daily charts. Let's go to daily charts. Now, just now the outlook for weekly charts is for maybe the next 1 month or 2 months kind of outlook. Okay, we are still in sideways. We're looking at 4,002 to break, to resume the uptrend. We are no longer in downtrend. So at this current moment, we should not be shorting aggressively. Yes or no? Type yes if you understand. Public, hello, hi everyone. The public, if you can see me, please like and share the post. Okay, thank you very much for liking and sharing the post. Okay, so oh, understand. Okay, so let's go to daily charts right now. Daily charts, you can see over here, we are stuck in this range. Question, do you think we are consolidating, or do you think we are, this may be a top? What do y'all think? Do y'all think we are consolidating, or we are, because it can be a difference, right? If this is a top and then after that it come down, right? Or it may be consolidating. What do y'all think is a is it a consolidation or is it a reversal? Okay, let me give you some distinction of reversal and consolidation. So on a consolidation, okay, consolidation meaning to say it goes up, consolidate, and you go up higher. In a reversal, it means goes up, reversal, and then after that it goes down. What do y'all think? And what is the evidence? Okay, you must see evidence, right? What is the evidence that it is consolidating, and what is the evidence that it's reversing? Okay, what's the evidence? Okay, so we have bars over here. Yes or no? We have this two shadow over here, and this shadow over here means price when try to go down, eventually close up. Price try to go down, eventually close up. So that's why there is a buying pressure over here. Yes or no? If we go into the daily charts, it's even clearer. If you go to the daily chart, you can see that daily charts, what is the trend right now? Daily charts. Up, down, or sideways? Sideways to up, yes or no? Because the MA are sloping up, but it's still stuck in that resistance. Do y'all follow what I'm saying? It's no down, right? Okay, so you can see touch, rebounded, touch, rebounded, yes or no? Okay, so at this moment, compared to last week, okay, we are not as strong, but compared to, let's say, last 1 month, we are stronger. So last week, let's say, example, we are here. Compared to last week, we are here. We may not be as strong, even though the price may be higher. We are not as strong. Why is it that we are not as strong compared to, let's say, one week ago here, even though the price is higher? What do you think? Because the price did not make new high. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Okay, so this price make new high, come back down. This price make new high, come back down. This price from here go, it should make new high and come back down. Yes or no? Okay, but it didn't make new high and come back down. So this compared to this, even though the price is higher, this is not as strong. Yes or no? Okay, you can also see from the MA, even though the MA right now, the MA, even though the price is higher right now compared to more than 1 week ago, the MA are closing up. Okay, so what it means to you is still sideways, yes or no? Haven't have that confirmation move to up, yes or no? Okay, you could have done a swing trade setup and trade here. How many did some swing trade long over the last 2 weeks setup? Like me, if you've done some long over the last 2 weeks. We posted in the Facebook group, right? Anybody? Okay, only one person. Okay. Okay, but some of you all did lah. Okay, so if you swing anything that is long or last daily swing over last 2 weeks, you should be profitable. Yes or no? Based on stocks, based on index, you should be profitable. Okay, so sell and may go away. Make a bit. Okay, never mind. Okay, it's good lah. Make a bit is don't complain. Okay, profit is a profit. Actually, sell and may go away already not very soon already. Okay, you all know that, right? You all know that, right? It's not very accurate already. Okay, because some May it go down, some May it doesn't go down. Okay, it's not as accurate as since a few years ago already. Okay, so I won't sell and may go away into. Okay, the thing is like that. When everybody know this thing, then it's not useful already. Do you follow what I'm saying? Maybe this is like useful, maybe like 10, 15 years ago, it was better. Okay, the odds are better. Okay, the odds of sell may go away better. But in the last 10 years, sell may go away, not so accurate anymore. Why? I believe maybe because a lot of people know already. Okay, so they already sold in April or what already. Okay, so it is not as accurate. Okay. Okay, I think we did one masterclass on this before. I think either it's Jay does it or Alex have done it before. Alex, you have done it before. Okay, anyway, I forgot in what area, but he have done this sell may go away, not being so accurate in the more recent decade already. Okay, so any question on S&P 500? For public, we have 96 of you, but only one comment. Okay, are you S&P graduate? Are you really, really public or what? Okay, if you're or maybe it's Monday morning, so everybody's working. Okay, any question? No question, type good. If you have no question. Okay, thank you. Okay, now let's go to the next thing. So what you should be doing, you know, right? Whether you're daily charts or whether you're weekly charts, you should be knowing what to look at. Okay, okay, let's break it down. Let's break it down. First, for swing weekly, that means 1 month trade. Okay, 1 month trade, I feel that right now can take a look already, because if you are 1 month trade, the CCI is no longer high. Remember about 1 month ago, I mentioned that don't buy already because CCI was high. Yes or no? Okay. Right now, CCI has corrected back to not high already. Okay. So now going forward, the next 2-3 weeks, you can start looking at the swing weekly charts already. Okay. Not when it was overbought, but now when the price is coming down, some of the stocks may already go into oversold already. Okay, so you can go to weekly swing to look at things to buy. Position weekly, most of the stocks already turned already. Yes or no? Type yes if you all agree. Most of the stocks already turned in January, February. Most of the top stocks already turned bullish already. Yes or no? Type yes if you agree. Okay, so most of the stock returns so really actually miss already. If you all then join in January, right now already miss already. Okay, so position weekly position done. Position weekly done. Swing weekly, now can look at next 2-3 weeks, can look at swing weekly. Swing daily, position daily. Position daily, I feel that also can look at it already. From now until maybe the next few months, you can start to look at it. It may not have 6-month high yet. How many have done the scan? You all see the arrow, but no 6-month high. How many saw that? Okay, you see stocks with arrow, stocks with first arrow, second arrow, but no 6-month high. It's still important to get the 6-month high. So have the S&P index make the 6-month high already? These 6 months, actually, yes, you see, we have the high here, we have the high here. We are no longer 6-month high, we are no longer down already. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Type yes if you understand. 6-month high, we are no longer down already. Okay, so if we have another high, then what already lah? Okay, so this was the previous time. Okay, but previous time over here, I don't think got 6-month high. Yes or no? Here we don't have 6-month high. Type yes if you understand. When this day happened at time, we don't have 6-month high, but right now, if we another high again, likelihood we will have 6-month high already. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Do you all follow what I'm saying? Or once you make high already, then we will have 6-month high. Type yes if you understand. Thomas, yes, this is live. This is live. Do you understand what I mean by 6-month high? It's very important to know, okay? Because when you're doing position daily, when it was like this, even though it looks good, yet still looks good, it does not have a 6-month high. Elvin, do you understand here? When you, let's say example, we use Trader GPS, there's arrow here. This does not have a 6-month high. Yes or no? Okay. One of the things is to look for a 6-month high, right? So one of the next after that, if let's say the arrow appear here, it will have a 6 months high already. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Type yes if you understand. Also, if the price goes to here, then this price over here will be the highest price in the last 6 months. Got it? Understand? When we have the arrow, we must look for, when we have the arrow, click on 6 months. Hey, this one we teach before in the class. Hello. Remember I talked about the 4 things to avoid? Overlapping candles, gap, then sideways trend. Yes or no? Okay, sideways trend must look at what? Click on 6 months. Then after that, this must 6 month high, right? Yes or no? Okay, I'll forget. Never mind. That's why we got revision like this, okay? Do you remember? The stock cannot be sideways, yes or no? Then when you see cannot be sideways, we must click on the 6-1 high, okay? Take it now, 6-1 high, then it must have a 6-month high. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Remember we talked about that four things, okay? Overlapping candle, gap, sideways trend, and then noisy stocks. But number 3 is sideways trend. You click on 6 months, the arrow, right, when it appear, it must have a 6-month high. Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay, for those people who have not attended class, okay, like Roy haven't attended class, come and join us in our SMT. Okay, now we got 290 of you in this room. Type SMT if you recommend Roy Ang to join us in the next SMT class. Okay, thank you. In it 290 yeses. Okay, oh, attending in 1 week. Huh? Okay, good. Okay, attending in 1 week time. Okay, good. Welcome. Then you say welcome. Okay, welcome. Okay, anyway, for those people who have not joined us, okay, you can go to this link. Tomorrow we have a webinar. Okay, tomorrow we have a webinar. And my intention, I've done this 15 years. My intention is that over time, okay, because trading is a life skill, over time, more and more people in my community will know what to do. More and more people in the community will be profitable, and more people in the community will recommend other people to this family. Do you all follow what I'm saying? So that's how we grow. It must be win-win. You follow what I'm saying? It cannot be win-lose. Okay? So I have no intention to do it like a 4 days class or 3 days class. And after that, say, we have a community, but when you go to the community, it's like, only I'm talking. Nobody else is talking. Then it's not a community, right? Okay. But if you go to our Facebook group, right, it's like bustling, right? Yes, not. It's bustling, right? So that is a community, okay? And I give the credit back to everyone in the Facebook group, in like Terrence, like every one of you, okay? Whether you're asking question, whether you're answering question, I give credit back to you all. You all are the one. Community is not me, community is you all, yes or no? But many years ago, I realized that you cannot learn trading after attending let's say even a 4 days class or 5 days class. That yes, if you all agree, you cannot learn trading even if, in fact, you're better off don't attend the class, don't attend the 4-day class and just watch YouTube yourself. Do you follow what I'm saying? It's free, correct? What you need to do is to learn whatever you learn in the 4 days, apply those things that you learn, get feedback, and that's how you get life skill. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, it is not just download, information after 3 days or 2 days or whatever days, right? Then after that, there's no way to ask questions and things. Then you cannot grow, yes or no? Okay, so for those people that are not in SMT, encourage you all to join us. Okay, if you ask me, the chance of succeeding here is the highest, okay, compared to anyone else. Okay, by the way, BTC not bad, almost 27,200 already. Anybody was in the crypto class yesterday or the day before? Type me. We had a trade setup, right? Okay, BTC, right? Now you should be making money already, okay? Okay, but not don't exit yet, don't exit yet. Wait, okay? This is a daily chart. So 5 days, okay? 5 days. For those that haven't attended the crypto class, encourage you all to attend, okay? Of course, that is our very first class, so we need to make everything better, okay? But those that attended, do you all agree that after you join the Telegram group, after you join the 2 days class, do you all feel that there's value? Type yes if it's value. Oh, don't type yes. Type value if it's value. Yes or no? Okay. Actually, the value haven't started yet. The value for me for any class, right, is not the 2 days class. The value after that is when Gerald, myself, add back value into the community. The 2 days class is just the beginning. Got it? Okay, so for those that few that haven't get value yet for the SMT option crypto class, don't worry, we'll continue to add value. Okay, and we got lifetime to add value. So I'm not scared, yes or no? Just like SMT class like that, I'm not scared that you won't get value. Okay, so anyway, come back to the markets. So for position daily, clear? Type yes if it's clear. Type yes if it's clear. Okay, good. So now you can start to scan. The only thing you must have 6 months high. Yes or no? You must have 6 months high. Give me stocks, example of stocks that you have scanned. Arrow with 6 months high. Do you all know or not? If you all scan, you all do your homework, you all should know. What are the stocks that have arrow, got 6 months high, and rank high? Anybody? If you do every week, you should know. Okay, if you do every week, you should know. Don't know what? Okay, tell me an example. Okay, before that, Thomas asked how to join the crypto class. Admin, do you know how to join the next crypto class? We don't have the next sign up yet, right? Joey, don't have, right? Okay, never mind. Later then I'll let you know. Okay. Thomas is I think let you know later. Okay. So what are the stocks that have 6 month high, rank high, and then already how do this so lag? Why do this so lag? Okay, so what are the stocks that have 6 month high already? Nvidia, can y'all see not? Nvidia. You see, you click on 6 months, you drag backwards. Here, don't have. From here onwards, got 6 month high or not? Got here onwards, got 6 month high or not? Have ready lah, yes or no? Type yes if you understand. Oh, why cannot buy here? Don't have 6 month high, yes or no? Got it? Okay. And if you look at the MA like this, right, it is not clear yet, yes or no? Okay. So you need to wait for it to be clear, especially in the beginning of a trend, because it's a change of trend, right? From downtrend to uptrend, right? This is downtrend to uptrend, right? So that's why you need the 6 month high. Let's say, example, you are already in the uptrend. Let's say from 2019, 2020, 2021, 2022. Don't worry, one always got 6 month high one. Yes or no? Type yes if you understand. Whenever you have an arrow here, you always have a 6 month high. Whenever here, always got 6 month high one. However, right now it's a change of trend. It's a change of trend. That's why we need to, this is a downtrend to uptrend. We need to have a 6 month high. After the 6 month high rate, now you don't need to worry because you always have 6 month high. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay. How to know it won't get steam? You just follow the system. Okay, you just follow the system. After the arrow, right? This is the first arrow with teeth, second arrow with teeth. These 2 arrow with teeth don't have 6 month high, so no count. This one no count. Okay, but this one got 6 month high already. You all follow what I'm saying or not? Oh, here got 6 month high already. Okay, from here onwards, there is 6 month high rate. In fact, these two can be buy signal also. Okay, can be buy signal also. Go and look at the SMT Bible, how to enter with this. Okay, how to enter with this. Assuming you don't enter with this using the SMT Bible, then you will enter after the 6 month high like this. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Type yes if you understand. Okay. Must remember, guys, the context, if let's say it's long term, it is like here, you don't need to worry about 6 month high because always got 6 month high. Yes or no? Let's say example, if it's uptrend, you always get 6 month high, so you don't need to worry about 6 month high. Let's say an example like this, you always get 6 month high. Yes or no? Got it? Because it's already uptrend. Oh, so you always have the 6 month high already. Got it? Do you understand what I'm talking about? So if it's change of trend that time, the 6 month high is very important. But it's already in uptrend for years already. You don't need to worry because you always have 6 month high. Got it? Okay, so that's the reason why we need to have a confirmation. Okay, for position weekly don't need. Okay, position weekly don't need. Position weekly just look at colors. Okay, so change color, buy already. Here at this point, I guarantee you usually won't have 6-month high, but can buy already. Got it? Oh, okay. So Facebook example. Remember, Facebook was very very negative news type. Yes, you remember. Okay, so if you were to use the position weekly, that is a buy signal in January this year. Yes or no? From January this year until now, right? You're already up 51%. That is if you do position weekly. If you do position daily, you may not have entered here because here don't have 6-month high. Yes or no? Okay, but eventually, let's say example, you click on 6 months, you should be able to get 6-month high once it is here. You got what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand. And this apply when what? When we have the no longer sideways trend. Yes or no? You cannot say, oh, I buy here. Do you all understand what I'm talking about? Why cannot buy here? What will filter out? What will filter out? Your 6-month high lah. Got it? Got it? But let's say example, if it's long term, if it's already in uptrend, then you don't need to worry about 6-month high because you always get 6-month high. Got it? Let's say example, when it's here, you will already have 6-month high. So no need to worry. Okay, like example here, first arrow got 6-month high. Second arrow got 6-month high already. Got it? Type yes if you understand that. Oh, so once the downtrend is finished already, in the future, your first arrow will have 6-month high, your second arrow will have 6-month high. Okay, but why is it right now don't have 6-month high? Because right now Facebook or a lot of the stocks are turning around. Got it? Okay, and position daily finish, swing daily. Guys, you all should look at swing daily more. Why is it so that you must look at swing daily more? It's because swing daily can help you to learn faster. Do you follow what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand. Swing daily, because the frequency is faster, you learn faster from swing daily. You may not want to trade it, but at least you paper trade it. Do you follow what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand. So I will encourage, even if you don't do swing daily, you should look at swing daily every day. Why is it so? When you look at swing daily every day, then you will have a idea how the market works. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Oh, like example, yesterday, we talked about this for the crypto people. What is this called? Okay, we have this, a normie entry, and then this, what is this called? You all should know, right? This is a normie entry. This is a stop hunt entry. Yes or no? This very obvious one. Yes or no? Oh, yesterday teach already. Okay, and this is a repeatable pattern. That means you enter on this day is zun one. Okay, and then you follow what I'm saying now? It's something that is repeatable. It is not, and swing trading is not something that I teach like just like 1 year ago, right? I teach swing trading for so many years already. So I encourage you all, even if you don't do swing, you don't want to do swing, you come with like $500, $1,000 there, right? You want to make more because your swing trade, you are maybe looking at risking $500 for maybe $1,000 or $500 for $700. You all follow what I'm saying? Some people may say, "Aya, this one too troublesome." Yes or no? I want to make the home run trade. But this kind of trading will allow you to learn faster. Got it? So from here, you can see, okay, GE, what is the setup? Okay, right now, GE, we are here. Okay, we are oversold already here, previously oversold. Now we are oversold. Okay, so what's next? How do I enter? Now this is long or short? Long, right? Then how do I enter this? Where is a good price to confirm that this down finish already? That means it's going up after that. How to do that? So when you do it more and more often, then you will get it right lah. Like recently, I also posted this one. Is it Amazon? That yes, you will if I also forget, sometimes I forget what stock I do. What stock did I talk about? Swing trade. Did I talk about Amazon? So this was a setup, right? You know, and then that was a swing trade here. Yes or no? At this price, can you buy or not? No, right? You must wait for it to come back down to here. Got it? Okay. I think maybe it's not Amazon, but there are a few swing trade setup that I mentioned last week. Yes or no? Okay. Some of them work out, some didn't work out. But what do you remember what stocks that I talk about that? The swing trade one? Okay, never mind. Forget also. Never mind. Anybody? Okay, never mind. Okay, so let's move on. Next one, HSI, Hang Seng Index. Hang Seng Index last week. Let's look at it. Weekly charts. Okay, still not decided. Yes or no? Still not decided. We are still about 30% up. Okay. How many of you bought earlier late last year? Type HSI if you bought late last year, somewhere October, September, November, December. Type HSI. I'm sure some of you did, right? Because that is a part of our long-term portfolio. Okay, so still holding. Okay, price is still here, not downtrend. Also, same thing. We are looking for catalyst to go up. I think we're looking for catalyst. Okay. So daily charts also no. Okay. I think right now we are like sideways. Okay, sideways trend. Okay, sideways trend right now. In fact, you ask me, I hope the catalyst is not from US, from the rest of the countries. By the way, do you all know why recently Bitcoin cooled down or not? Sorry, I diverse a bit. Do you all know why or not? Actually, it is an illusion. Why? Because beside this, it's because US dollar strengthened. Can you all see the US dollar strengthening? That yes, you can see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Boom. US dollar strengthened. Okay. So if everything go back to US dollar, it may not be that bad because US dollar strengthened. And this is a big move, right? From here to here is a big move, right? Yes or no? Oh. So they say this is a double bottom. I don't think so. What do you think? US dollar is a double bottom. They say this US dollar is a double bottom, and after that it's going up this way. How many of you think it's like that? I personally think it's not like that. Okay, I think US dollar over time will go down. Yes or no? Go down. Why? Number one, of course, technically I can say the MA are sloping down. This one very clear. Yes or no? Sloping down. Okay. Number two, so you must respect the MA. Touch MA. Respect the MA. Number two, they are in the point of pausing or not increasing so much already. Do you all follow what I'm saying? So the Fed rate hike already more or less priced in already. Got it? Okay. So that's why I feel that it is not. Okay. It is not a double bottom. US dollar is not going to strengthen from here. Okay. In fact, I think US dollar is going to weaken from here. Okay. Got it? Technically and also using fundamentals. Make sense or not? Okay. Yes, if it makes sense. Okay. So continue long Bitcoin. That's my opinion. Maybe wrong. Okay. Next, after HSI, STI. Still nothing. Hey, HSI you all don't have. How about STI? You also don't have. What happened to your HSI and STI? You all should have, right? If you're holding and then there's nothing much. Okay, so for those HSI and STI one, right? If you all want to trade it, like you go down, buy, go up, you sell, but you should have a call holding. That means don't your whole position trade until don't have. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, don't make the mistake of doing that because sometimes you have a view that hey, long term it will be up, but because you trade it in and out, end up don't have anything. That's not good. Okay. So continue to hold long-term STI, hold long-term for those things that you're bullish in. Got it? Okay. And Sing dollars also not bad. Yes or no? Okay. What happened to debt ceiling? What if the debt ceiling happened, US dollar goes up? No, actually it's the opposite. Okay, it's the opposite. Got it? In fact, the narrative of US dollar being a safe haven is dropping. Do you all notice that? Like last time, whenever have a crash or things like that, everybody rush to US dollar. That is like maybe last year and the narrative. But recently, no, yes or no? When the bank run, when we have the all this bank run thing, right? US dollar weakened, not strengthened. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Okay, so the narrative of US dollar strengthening when there's fear is already not true already. Got it? Type yes if you understand. Not true already. Okay. Yeah, I think US dollar slowly, they may not dump everything because they have a lot of US dollar, right? They may be slowly reducing their dependency on US dollar. Got it? Okay. And if you see the inflow of gold, they talk about gold, right? By the way, gold hit all-time high, near to all-time high, right? Okay, near to all-time high. Can you see that gold? That yes, you can see near to all-time high. But if you see the flow of money, gold versus Bitcoin, is question: is gold is money flowing from gold to Bitcoin or Bitcoin to gold? Guess. Okay, because both are like, this is digital gold, this is real gold, right? Is money flowing from physical gold to digital gold or digital gold to physical gold? The answer is physical gold is going to BTC. They are measuring the ETF of all the gold ETF and looking at the ETF of all the different Bitcoins. They look at the fund flow. Gold ETF is dropping, and BTC ETF is going up. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Okay, I got the chart, but I don't have time to look at it. Okay, but this money is flowing to here because gold, right, was the idea that people came about that, hey, if we don't have anything to measure money, gold is the ultimate measure, but because it's limited. But do you think gold is limited? The answer is no. Gold is not limited. Okay, guys, gold is a lot. There's a lot of gold out there. Okay, and it's always being mined, right? It's always being mined. We actually do not know the total supply of gold ever. Yes or no? That yes, if you understand, we won't know because they're still mining gold, right? We don't know the total supply of gold, but we know the total supply of Bitcoin is 21 million. Cannot be changed. Got it? Okay. So anyway, why we diverse until here? Okay. So any questions so far? No question. Maybe I just share with you one thing. Okay. Today this learning is like that. This training is like that. Because every class, I hope to share with you all something useful. Yes or no? Rather than just market outlook and things like that. I want to share with you all something useful, but some of you all may know, some of you all may not know. Okay, so in a stock market, there are phrases. There are different phrases. Okay, so we have what we call the accumulation phase. Accumulation phase. Then we have the public participation phase, and then they have the what? What is the next one? Distribution phase. I suddenly forget. Okay, distribution phase. Do you all know that there are three phases in the stock market or in anything? There is the accumulation phase, then there's a public participation phase. It may not be like that. It may be like that. And then there is the distribution phase. Okay, Accumulation phase here. Accumulation phase. Public participation. Sorry, I draw very ugly. Okay. And then distribution. Do you all know this? Type me if you know, type not me if you don't know. Hi, William. Where do you go, William? Not me. So many don't know. Okay, so it's good that we know. Okay, so there are three phases in the market. Okay, there is the accumulation phase. What is accumulation phase? Accumulation phase is where the insider, the people, the smart money accumulate the instrument, where stocks, Bitcoin, whatever, they accumulate. Okay, public and in this part, the news is good or bad during accumulation phase. News is bad. Okay, news is bad. Okay, no, only the smart money buy, the rest all scam. Do you follow and check? Accumulation phase. Then public participation phase is when public start to come in. Yes or no? Public participation phase when news is good or bad. Bad turning to good. Okay, not good, yeah. Bad turning to good. Yes, if you understand, bad turning to good. So people say, oh, no more recession, no more global financial crisis, and things like that. Bad turning to good. Okay, so that is public participation phase. Distribution phase. Distribution phase. News good or bad? News good or bad? News is good, going even better. Okay, that means like, whoa, the sky is the limit. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, the sky is the limit. This is distribution phase. You must understand this. Type yes if you understand this. If you don't understand this, then you are like the little sampan in the ocean again. Okay, because you always listen to news, right? Say, oh, news is good. Now it's time to buy more. You know, then you cannot distribute that. Got it? Okay. So, question: how do we know? This is the theory, right? The theory is how do we know this? Okay, how do we know which phase we are in? Whether it's accumulation phase, whether it's public participation phase, distribution phase. From few things, from price, from volume. Because we are technical, do you follow what I'm saying? We are when we are looking at technicals, we look at the chart, we look at price and volume. So question, price at accumulation phase is what? Price accumulation phase is what? Low or high? Low, simple, right? Okay, low. Volume, high or low? Volume, low. Do you follow what I'm saying? Volume is low. And what else? One more thing. The candlesticks compared to others, right? The candlestick is long or short? This one. What do you think? The volatility is low. Okay. The volume is low. The candlestick is short. That means the volatility is short. They accumulate. They don't want to pump. Do you follow what I'm saying? That means when it go down, they buy. When it go up, they don't buy. The smart money is like that. Do you follow what I'm saying? It go down, they support. It go up, they don't pump. Do you all follow what I'm saying? So that is accumulation phase. Okay, accumulation phase. Then in public participation phase, price is what? Price is going from low to high. Yes or no? Low to high. You can see MA on things that I can see. Price going from low to high. Volume is what? Volume is going from low to high. That means the smarter public, okay, then the smartest public, then the less smart public, then the public, then the stupid, then the stupid public got to come in here. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, that is the new money, new blood. Okay, stock market always got new blood. Okay, why is new blood? New blood, do you know where does new people come in to the stock market? Factual, when does new people who never traded with stock before come into the stock market? It's usually at the what? At the highest. At the highest. Why is it at the highest? because they see the newspaper. Wow, I got one friend last time drive Grab, now become stock trader. Well, I got one friend last time do what okay, things like that. You know what I'm saying? So during that new blood, then what happened to the Philips counter? They will have the thing for people to queue. That's why last time got one saying, right? When you see the last time Philips security level 6, right? Level 6. Once they put up the thing for people to queue up means time to zao already. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Okay, once they see they got queue, they got a line, people line up, don't anyhow queue, right? At level 6 to open account, right? They say, oh, time to exit. It's always like that. Okay, that's when new blood come in. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay. So at here, the price is what? Price is at the high. Okay, at the high. Euphoria. Okay, volume is high. Why volume here is high? Oh, by the way, here is low to high. Volume here is high. Why? Because they are distributing. Do you follow why they're distributing? That means you hear good news, you run in to buy, they sell to you. Hear good news, they run in to buy, they sell to you. That's distribution. Do you all follow what I'm saying? So the candlestick here is what? Long or short? Candlestick here is no, the other way. It is long. It means there's volatility. Do you follow what I'm saying? There will be fear of missing out over here. There will be people that first time come in so when they first time come in to the stock market, there is this fear of missing out because they heard their friend made 100% in 1 week. They now just open account, just fund the account. They also want to make 100% in 1 week. Do you follow what I'm saying? By the way, are we at this stage right now? Euphoria? No lah. Okay, now you go to capital, nobody here. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Okay, I go to ask G, hey, your tokenized how? Now very quiet. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Okay, so that is distribution phase. So if you understand this phase, then you know where should you be. Okay, where should we be? Question: where should we be? Accumulation, public distribution, public participation, or distribution? That's why a lot of people don't know. Okay, so accumulation, if you are a long-term investor, then you go accumulation. Why? Because accumulation can last for a while. Do you follow what I'm saying? Like, yes, if you understand. Okay, so accumulation can last for 1 year, 2 years. Then if you're a trader, you come into accumulation phase, then wrong. Do you follow what I'm saying? Why? Because you will have opportunity cost. That yes, if you understand. So if you're a trader, then not accumulation. Okay. If you're long-term, yes, accumulation. But even accumulation, I don't want to get in here. I want to get in here. Do you follow what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand. So I want to get in here. This is like position weekly. Got it? That yes, if you understand, change color. Okay. Like just now we see Trader GPS, NVIDIA change color. Okay. We don't want to do it when it is still down. Yes or no? We want to do it when it is start to turn up, then we buy. You get what I'm saying? Okay. So it can be accumulation, can be here, can be here, can be here, can be here. You follow what I'm saying? But I actually buy here. Do you follow what I'm saying now? Okay. So if not, you may end up holding the stocks 6 months or things like that. Okay. So even as an investor, be a smart one. Okay. Don't accumulate when it's here. They say, hey, but the price can be cheaper, but the price can be higher also, yes or no? And second thing is, more importantly, you end up holding the stock for long. And if you hold the stock from here, $108, let's say you buy here $108 and the stock drop 40%, you may panic. Yes or no? You may panic. I think wrong. It's going to go down further. I sell everything. Do you follow what I'm saying? So it's better off wait for the accumulation to finish already, then you buy here. That yes, if you understand. Okay, this is position weekly. Okay, then position daily. Okay, swing weekly, all this part. Do you all follow what I'm saying? All this part. This position weekly, swing weekly, all this part. Swing daily, also all this part. Got it? Okay. Then when will this? Okay, so you must understand during distribution phase, it may not be so clear. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay. So some of them may have position daily exit, some of them will have swing MA cross and things like that to tell you it's exiting already. So by then you should follow. Okay. So this part, the limit to get out is actually here. You may not get out at this point, but you should get out here. Why? By here, we have what? We have the MA cross already. We have the position weekly turn color. We have also things like that. Okay, so by then, you should exit already. Then after that, come back down again, then next phase again. Okay, guys, understand? Okay, so important thing I want to share with you all is the candlestick accumulation pattern. The candlestick accumulation pattern is here, candlestick is short, here is normal, and here is long. Do you follow what I'm saying? Long meaning to say high price up, high price down. Okay, that is accumulation phase. Okay, S&P 500, Hang Seng Index. Okay, by the way, all these, right, you can also look in terms of your economic news. Example, like your interest rates, your economic cycle and things like that. I won't go through today, okay? But because some of you already know. Yes or no? You can bring everything together with the interest rates, okay? And also the economic cycle also can. So if you have not watched it, go and watch this training, okay? Traders GPS Premium Members area, go and watch this masterclass on how interest rates is correlated to the stock market. Okay, especially for people new, this will be eye-opener. Okay, how many watched this before? Type me if you watched this before. How many have not watched this before? Type not me. I believe like quite a lot may not have watched this. Okay, so go and watch this. How interest rate is related to the stock market. Okay, and it is not as simple. Okay, and I'll see you over there. A lot of them not me yet. Okay, and I want to watch is this one. Okay, all promote my master. These masterclass are all free for all SMT students. Okay, then you can go to here. You can see how to what's the general principle of entry and stop loss also. Okay, so go and watch this too. Okay. Okay, now still have time. We have 5 more minutes. Public, any stocks to look at? If not, we will say bye to the public. Okay, if not, then thank you very much, guys, for joining us in this sharing session. Can we say a bye to the public? Okay, say bye to them, and then we will have our internal meeting. Okay. Why today a bit lag? Okay. Quite lag today. Okay, never mind. Okay, see you bye. See you bye. Can join us. CollinSeow.com/SWB. Okay, see you.